The best psychological thrillers on Amazon Prime are some of the most compelling films of all time and should be on any film fan's radar. Psychological thrillers are kind of movie that anyone can enjoy. Some people don't like horror movie or rom-coms, but it's hard to deny the anticipation and thrills that viewers get when it comes to the bad psychological thriller movies. With this subgenre, viewers get on an adventure that delves into the minds of heroes, villains and even supernatural creatures. Here's the list of 10 best psychological thriller movies on Amazon Prime. Number 10, You Were Never Really Here 2018. Joaquin Phoenix star in this violent and usually intimate psychological thriller that can act as an interesting precursor to Phoenix's Oscar-winning lead performance in Joker. Filled with odd visuals and sound design, choice to place the audience into the mind of the film troubled main character as they delve into rescuing a girl trapped within a dark political conspiracy involving human trafficking. A dark sense of humor and unconventional emotionally make it an unpredictable and engaging ride. Number 9, The Usual Suspect 1995. Though it has a what is possibly the most famous twist ending in the history of movies, The Usual Suspect is still a gripping ride all the way through for those who've seen it a dozen times or more. A lot of that is down to its stellar ensemble cast and its razor-sharp dialogue from screenwriter Christopher McQuarrie. It's harsh movie that keep the audience grazing right until the final frames, but the experience hugely entertaining even its darkest moments. Number 8, Burning 2018. Stephen Young star as mysterious figure who may be the heart of young woman disappearance in the wholly idealistic psychological thriller of obsession and uncertainty from director Chang Dong-lee. Not necessarily a good choice for those who require direct answers to questions raised by film's plot. Burning is much more of a mental journey that rewards the audience patience with an atmosphere that is all but guaranteed to seep under the skin and they there for days or weeks after the credits roll. Number 7, Dead Ringers 1988. Director David Cronenberg is most famous for his use of body horror, which is certainly an element in this enveloping psychological drama thriller, but is an emotion at the play is Dead Ringers that makes the story truly horrifying. Jeremy Irons is spellbinding and a dual role as two identical twin gynecologists, one of an confident womanizer and one other to meek neurotic, with a dark sexual game played by the two on an unsuspecting patient spiraling into chaos and dragging both of their lives down into the lowest depth of the depravity. Number 6, The Wall 2017. Aaron Taylor Johnson and John Cena star in the minimalist Iraq War movie from director Long Demand about a soldier pinned down by an enemy sniper with only a small wall for protection. Most of the movie revolves around the conversation between the soldier and the unseen sniper over the radio. With mind games unbonding, the movie rests heavily on Aaron Taylor Johnson's shoulders as a result, but his performance successfully sailed the intensity of the situation and brutality of the conflict. Number 5, Frailty 2001. A psychological crime drama directed by late Bill Paxton. Frailty focused on the unique relationship two young boys with their overlay religion father. Bill Paxton star as dad makes and confesses to his sons that God has asked him to destroy demons masked as the humans, but the missions must be kept a secret. The boys help him with his work while the question of their father is losing his mind. Number 4, Lighthouse 2019. William Dafoe and Robert Pattinson are electrifying on this completely strange story about two isolated lighthouse keepers on a tiny landscape Iceland. Their close proximity ratcheting up tension between the two that fail over into walking nightmares. Delving into the beleaguered minds of its main characters, The Lighthouse is full of bizarre and horrifying imagery, but it's really the performance that fuels the raging fire of each scene. Number 3, we need to talk about Kevin 2011. We need to talk about Kevin is based on a 2003 novel written by Lionel Srivel and focus on the lives of Eva and her children. Her son Kevin is a difficult and distant. As he grows up, he starts to act out and alarming incidents begin to happen, such as his sister Kelia getting seriously injured. Number 2, Fight Club 1999. Fight Club is a darkly satirical crime thriller about a man who, weary of the soulness of the modern consumerism, begins to the tutor underground fighting culture which soon spiral into the terrorist ideology. Edward Norton and Brad Pitt lead the impressive cast through a wild journey of violence and psychological discussion that has had a huge impact on modern popular culture and even basic political discourse. Number 1, Coherence 2013, a psychological thriller with a very small scale of science fiction twist. Coherence is a movie that shows just how much punch ultra low budget genre movies can still have in the age of high concept comic book blockbusters. The story revolves around a group of old friends meeting for dinner on the event that a comet will easily pass overhead. Over the course of bizarre evening, they begin to realize that the comet passing has resulting an inexplicable phenomenon, opening up the fabric of their reality and casting them into the night of the confusion and doubt.